Welcome! We've developed the AI SRE Sidekick, integrating our checkout payment services and an N8N workflow. All these elements are powered by open telemetry, and we've utilized SigNoz on our backend. SigNoz, with its internal CLI tool Foundry, helps us deploy, collect data, send it to ClickHouse, and store metadata in POSIT. Here's the architecture of SigNoz, an open source tool. It also offers an MCP server with a variety of tools. Our AI SRE Sidekick interacts with SigNoz, handling alerts via its notification service. Utilizing LLM, it breaks down tasks into tool calls for the MCP, generating an RCA. As you can see, planners, executors, evidence collectors, RCA, and diagnostics are automatically sent to Slack. There's also an interface route allowing you to access our dashboard and interact via voice. This is made possible through Deepgram's SCTP protocol, providing an RCA. Additionally, we have an SRE Slack bot that calls the Sidekick to deliver the RCA. Here's a look at our basic architecture. Let's explore how we've configured SigNoz, specifically for the checkout service. Notice the high latency API calls. This might indicate that dependencies of the checkout API are compromised. High error percentages are also visible. We also have an N8N service. Data reaches SigNoz, and there are noticeable high latency calls and errors in the N8N workflow. Here's a single trace for my checkout span and service. It shows errors, and logs indicate checkout failures and payment processor issues. I've crafted a custom SigNoz dashboard to track checkout and payment health. It highlights health and latency issues within the checkout process. Our core focus is to efficiently track latency without needing constant data checks. SigNoz Alert Rules feature lets us configure custom alerts. The alert, named Checkout, triggers under specific error conditions. Custom alert conditions and notification settings are established. Notification channels are set up for sending alert data. If conditions are met, alerts go to a channel called Test 1, with server details configured. Since everything runs via Docker, this URL reaches our AI SRE Sidekick server. The simple N8N workflow triggers the payment API. We've simulated error generation to identify failures. Our UI dashboard displays incidents with filters for warnings, critical issues, and current concerns. You can filter by service to see N8N errors or incidents. After reviewing the RCA, you can mark it as accurate, inaccurate, or leave it unverified. Recently, an incident highlighted a checkout service error, evidenced by logs of checkout failures and payment errors, correlating increased error rates with specific log entries. It also offers a suggested fix, emphasizing the AI SRE Sidekick's role in providing an RCA. SigNoz provides basic features. Our system enhances this. The suggested fix involves investigating payment service logs and metrics for recent changes. This streamlines nighttime debugging by pinpointing potential deployment issues. Start directly from the evidence provided, which explains the issue triggering the alert. SigNoz aggregates checkout service traces and logs. The identified log message should be your starting point. Our Sidekick shows how we break down incidents, demonstrating our thought process. When data is received, MCP tools are triggered at each step to analyze traces, leading to an alert fire rate conclusion. Our incident dashboard offers a streamlined experience. The AI Sidekick allows direct queries, integrating alerts seamlessly. For queries, speak into the tool and translate voice to text. This enhances accessibility, facilitating direct issue communication. Upon sending, you receive affected services, evidence, suggested fixes, recommended actions, and investigation timelines, aiding late-night debugging. This tool is perfect for debugging. We've created a landing page detailing our goals and the architecture.